Okay, welcome to the room tour. This is the prettiest part of the room. Room tour over. Okay, probably start with this hole in the wall. Yeah, that's on my door and we love it. Like adds some character, you know. Okay, so the bed. My prized possession, my everything. Wow. Like just take a look at it. I mean, I have some stuff on here. So let's just slide that off. So this is my bed. It's literally beautiful. Like it's so pretty. The material of it is so nice and it's leather. So like if it gets messy, oh, excuse that nail, sorry. If it gets messy or anything, like it wipes right off. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing in my bed to get that messy, but I'm living for it. I will link it below. The one, like the bed frame that I have. I actually built this all by myself. Well, me and my cousin built this ourselves with no men. It comes with a bottom frame like that, and it also comes with a footboard just like that. Super cute. It's huge. It's a queen size. I'm not really sure. I feel like I should put something above it there, but I haven't figured out what yet. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. I don't really do decorations unless it's roses, but pillows I have here, these are all Nautica pillows. I don't know why, but I found them at Ross and they were really cheap and I really like them. And then I also have this shaggy one from Ross. I have this memory foam one as well. It is so nice. The one side is hard and the one side is soft. So I usually sleep on just this pillow only. And then the rest of the pillows are more or less like decoration. The bed here, I have my weighted blanket here. This one is from Amazon. Like I said, everything will be linked below. I want to talk about this blanket because a lot of people have been asking me how I feel about weighted blankets. I think that it helps me sleep. It definitely is like very comforting. It feels like there's like pressure on you in a good way, but I don't think it's helped with my anxiety. If that gives anybody it, like I would still recommend buying it. I do not regret buying it, but it definitely didn't really help with anxiety. But it's very warm and I think it's gonna be really nice in the winter too. So I do recommend it, but it didn't work for what I was trying to get it to do. So there's my computer where I do everything in my whole life on, and my Spanish book because there's an exam tomorrow. Over here I have a mini fridge with a giant stain on the front, so yeah. This mini fridge was actually in the basement of my parents' house and I was like, I might as well just take it. So we have some roses on top from my dad. We have a little Amazon Alexa, Echo, whatever those things. Never mind. Sorry, Alexa. Yeah, and this candle, it's from Bath & Body Works. I love it. I don't really like marble design. Like I wish that was just all white, but whatever. Alexa, why are men like that?
I don't know that.
Same. Here I have my robes. I have my black robe and my cheetah robe, and then I usually just hang up whatever towel I'm using at the time. I don't think I was allowed to put this nail on the wall here in my apartment, but we did it. So there is the bed area and have some Christmas lights above. Let's move on. Okay, over here I have, oh, looks like I'm not my parents. Okay, over here, I look really gross, so I hope I don't get in this shot, but over here, I built these two little shelves. Oh my god, ew, ew. I built these two little shelves myself. I got them from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I really like them. They're huge. Like, they store a lot of things, and yeah, they store a lot of things. Like, there's a router, a Charlotte Tilbury box, pencils, like all this stuff in them. I got them from my Vanity and then it didn't end up working out, so I just stored them here. Oh, you can tell I built them myself. Okay. Top here, I have a couple perfumes. I have a NYX Peekaboo Neutral Lip Liner. Duh. I have my jewelry box. This is from Forever 21. It was like $10. They always have cute little decor pieces like this. I feel like no one realizes. And then this is an H that my cheerleaders gave me and a mirror because I had nowhere else to put it. Up here, I have my picture frame. I make one of these every year. I use the same poster board. I will link the poster board that I have below. It was like really cheap, and then I just take whatever piece of paper already comes in it and just use like Scotch tape and put down a bunch of pictures in black and white, and I print them all out at Walgreens. It's super easy, super cute. If you made the wall, you mean something. Okay, another big question that I get a lot. I'm sorry, I look a mess. My mirror. The mirror. This is the mirror of all mirrors. Simple, sleek design of a mirror I could find. There's like nothing extra to it. It is literally just a mirror and I love it. This is everybody's favorite mirror. When I moved out of my parents' house to come to school, everyone said, oh my god, we missed your mirror. I'm like, that's right. Like, I get a lot of DMs and stuff asking about this mirror and like where I got it, and like I said, it'll all be linked below. This one is kind of expensive, but I found that like with mirrors, they're like expensive wherever you go. Like, it's so hard to get a deal on them, so I just invested and I think I'll probably have this one like forever. This is my makeup station. I am absolutely living for my new makeup station. I'm gonna break this down because I know I'm gonna get like a million questions about it, and like I said, there will be links for every piece of furniture here below. So I actually built this myself. It is 3 different pieces and you would never ever be able to tell unless you actually built it yourself too. So let's start. First, I have this brush holder. I got it from TJ Maxx last year. I also have little Polaroids in there just as like a display. I didn't really know what to do with them, so I set them there and it's really cute. I also have a rug just like this. I mean, I'm sorry, it's not a rug. I have a chair just like this. I got mine at Ross. I got a lot of my stuff at Ross, I guess. And an ugly heater in the background. Yeah. And I got that one for 35 bucks. Bed Bath & Beyond, Ross, TJ Maxx, they all usually have stuff like that, so check there. Okay, so this is my new vanity mirror. I'm obsessed with it. Oh my god. So it has a dimmer on the side there, so I can turn it down and up and down and up, but let's leave it up. It also has an outlet on the side, which you wouldn't think is like super like whatever, you just be like whatever. No, it's very practical. I'm very happy I have an outlet on the side there. Up front here, I have some Fix Plus and Morphe setting sprays. I also have another mirror. It's like a magnifying mirror. Yeah, right there. And this I use for my makeup as well as this mirror. Over here we have like a little holder. I got this from Amazon. I'll link it. You can hold anything in these, but these are the 2 I use the most. I have a Sephora bag filled with makeup I haven't tried yet, and my little Polaroid camera. So this desk is actually 2 pieces here. Like, this is a piece of wood I got from Home Depot. Literally just a slab of wood. Like, if all this stuff wasn't on top of it, I could pick it up and just take just this top part with me. And I will link it below as well. Wood was only like $11 or something. And I ordered it online and picked it up in the store. It was so easy to do. Home Depot. We love Home Depot. That's all I'm gonna say. These drawers are from Michaels and they kind of like resemble the Alex drawers from IKEA. I think that's why like everybody buys these, and they were only $50 a piece, so it was $100 for the 2 drawers and then $11 for the board. And then this mirror this mirror is also from Amazon and it was like $150. I'm sorry I had to invest in it. I just thought like I'm gonna have it forever. I might as well just take the plunge. So in these drawers, I know everybody wants to know. So this top drawer is a bunch of random stuff. This has primers, setting sprays, and I guess a couple hair clips. Yeah. There's some tools in here too. Like there's eyelashes. There's some moisturizer, primer, beauty sponges, just eyelash glue, a little mixing palette, just like primers, moisturizers, and tools, everything I could need here. This is like a random drawer. This is foundation drawer number 1. They're not very organized. They should be more organized, and they're not. This is just random foundations, and that's my favorite foundation literally of all time. The LA Girl. I have like 7 of these. I think I have a couple at home too, and I also really like the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. This is foundation drawer number 2, and I also have my concealers in here. I don't have many concealers because seriously the only one I use is the Flower Beauty one, but I mean, worth a shot. I've been loving this. Talk about this in my most recent video. I love this stuff so much. Next drawer is some hair tools. I have hairspray. I have 2 irons that I use, like curling irons for my hair. And then last drawer on the side is some Q-tips, cotton rounds, a palette or 2 or 3 or 4, just some random palettes, and a lip roller. Oh my god, a lint roller. I'm so stupid. On this side, I have a mess. That's what I have. Okay, here I have some highlighters. These are all highlighters. I guess I really don't have as many highlighters as people would think. I definitely have more at home. Like, this isn't my full makeup collection, but this is like what I brought with me to school. And then this is my drawer of glosses. I have my Fenty gloss, which I'm obsessed with. I have the new Fenty gloss, which I'm also obsessed with. I have the Dior plumping gloss. I'm obsessed with it. The MAC Mariah Carey collection. I have Dose of Colors and I Love Sarah E or whatever. I like her a lot. I have MAC. I have just a ton of glosses. I live for lip glosses. Second drawer, I have all of the powders, and although the ones I use on a daily basis are in this drawer right here, so this is like the most commonly used drawer basically. And I have the butter bronzers, all of that. I have a couple NARS Orgasms in here, a little Milani Luminoso, you already know the drill. I also have the new Charlotte Tilbury. I guess this isn't new, but like everyone's obsessed with it. The airbrush finishing powder, and I really like it a lot. So this is the powder drawer. This is the skincare drawer. It's really small because I left a lot of my skincare at home. I only really brought my normal regimen with me. So yeah, I just have like my micellar water. I have my serum. I have some vitamin C oil, eye makeup remover, Dove dry spray deodorant. I don't like this scent, by the way. Oh shit. This is the Sheer Fresh scent. I don't like it. It smells like a boy. So it's just like too manly for me. I like the pink one more. Also, I use this for sweating too. This is Certain Dry, and it's like seals up your armpits so that they don't really sweat as much. I like this stuff. Next drawer is the tanning drawer, my favorite drawer. I have 2 good bottles of Loving Tan and Ultra Dark, and I also have Loving Tan Bronze Shimmer Mousse. I have Fenty Body Lava. I have this random self tanner my aunt gave me that doesn't work for me but works for her. Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs and my tanning mitt. I have my little puff, got it all. Last drawer is just the hair drawer. There is some hair product. This is the normal stuff that you saw in my hair routine video, which I will link below. Over here I keep my blow dryer because I like to blow dry my face after I do my makeup. So okay, so let's get on to the closet here. I will say about my closet, it took a long time for this to come together, and I still don't feel like it's done yet. I'm not sure how to organize it more. I need something more. I definitely need something down here to organize my shoes. These tripods can go somewhere else. I'm not really sure yet. These are all color coded because I've worked in retail for like 6 years, so it's just honestly force of habit, and I feel like it makes it look more aesthetic. We have the denim section, we have the camo section, we have the cheetah section, the black, we have the yellow, we have the baby pinks, we have the white, we have the jerseys, we have everything. A really easy, simple tip I think that a lot of people would enjoy if they did is getting velvet hangers and getting a certain color velvet hanger. I have some extra ones right here. I actually purchased these online through a website. I got literally, this is such a good deal. I got 100 of these velvet hangers, the no slip grip ones. They are so nice, really good quality, and they were like $30, and I'm pretty sure like a 12 pack of them at Ross is like $8 or $9. Like, you might as well just buy 100 of them, you know what I mean? And I feel like it's a really small detail to just have every single hanger be exactly the same and be black, and just like, I feel like it's more aesthetically pleasing to have everything just be very in order and the same. And I love these hangers. I will link them below, and I also have a coupon code if you want to get them. The same place that I got those hangers, it's like a website, I think it's called promotion.com. I also got this suitcase from the same website I got the hangers from, and I am obsessed with it. I have a pink one just like this, but I wanted it in black because you know how I like everything to just be the same. This is travel size friendly, meaning like I could use this as a carry-on if I wanted to, which I really like, and it rolls both ways, you know, and it's just like a really heavy-duty nice suitcase. I actually just got my dad one of these because he travels now for work, so I feel like he could use it for sure. Over here I have some shoes. I have just like my Nikes and my Adidas and stuff, no heels or anything. They're all still in storage. I don't have them out yet. a bag and some bins. I'll link those bins are really nice, and it's a set of 3, and it's like small, medium, large, and I got them from Amazon. Really cute. So lastly, I almost didn't show this because I figured it wasn't perfect, but then I thought about it, and like there's probably never going to be a time that my room is perfect. So these are actually the dressers that my apartment came with, and they do not fit my whole white and black theme. I see that. But I did just order a new dresser. I will link mine below if you want to see it. It's just white and like it's really cute, but it won't be here I don't think until tomorrow. Then I have to build it, and because you know I built that and I built that. But anyways, once I build it, I'll put my TV on top of it, which is still at home, and I'll fill my clothes in. Yeah, so this is my room. Like this is like a level up for, I feel like, a college room. Like I feel like I kind of, you know, overdid it a little tiny bit, but it's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel super gross. I'm gonna go self-tan real fast. If you have any questions about where anything came from, just let me know and I can link you. Got you. Bye.